Hello, everybody. How are you? Well, I'm fine, thank you, by the grace of God, and I hope and trust the same with each one of you. Today, we will be learning together about my body. This is the second chapter for Standard 2. Now, take a moment, look around. What do you see? Well, you see everything outside your body. We don't really know how the inside part is. This subject today that we are looking at is about the organs that are inside our body. Here we go. My body. The human body refers to the entire structure of a human being. It is composed of many different types of cells and organ systems. Now let me read loudly the names of the organs that is inside our body. Brain, heart, liver, stomach, lungs, veins, kidneys, pancreas, gallbladder, arteries, skeleton, muscles, spinal cord, small intestine, large intestine. Brain. Brain is the organ which coordinates and controls the feeling of the body. It is located inside a heart covering called head. It is the boss of your body. Heart. Heart is a central pumping organ. It pumps blood to every part of your body. It is the size of your fist. It is located a little to the left of the middle of your chest. Kidneys. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs located on either side of the vertebral column. It removes waste from the body in the form of urine. Stomach. It is a rounded hollow organ located in the left part of the abdomen. Stomach is an organ which stores our food we eat. It secretes acid to digest our food, which gives energy to our body. Lungs. Lungs are a pair of spongy air-filled organs which are located inside the rib cage. It inhales oxygen and exhales carbon dioxide. This exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is called respiration. Lungs also help in providing the airflow that makes the vocal sound, including human speech. Veins. Veins are tube-like structure which is elastic in nature. It helps in carrying the pure blood towards the heart. They usually look blue in color. Medicines and fluids are given through vein when we fall sick. Pancreas. It is a long flat gland that lies in the abdomen behind the stomach. It produces enzymes that are released into the small intestine to help with digestion. Gallbladder. It is a small organ just below the liver in the top right of the belly. It stores a fluid called bile produced by the liver to help digest the fat in the food we eat. Arteries. These are small capillaries which deliver the oxygen-rich blood. They are red in color and they carry blood away from the heart. Skeleton. Every human being has a skeleton made up of many bones, which give structure to the body. They protect your internal organs. The adult human body has 206 bones. Muscles. Muscles are made up of special cells called muscle fibers. Muscles allow a person to move, speak, and chew. They control heartbeat, breathing, and digestion. Spinal cord. It consists of nerves that carry incoming and outgoing messages between the brain and the rest of the body. The spinal cord is a long thin tubular structure made up of nervous tissue. Small intestine. This is a hollow tube about 20 feet long that runs from the stomach to the beginning of the large intestine. The small intestine breaks down food from the stomach and absorbs much of the nutrients from the food. The purpose of the large intestine is to absorb water and salt from the material that has not been digested as food and gets rid of any waste products left over. Dear students, now that we have learned about some major vital organs inside our body, let me ask you a few questions related to it. I'll give you multiple choice. You select the right answer. I pump blood to all the parts of the body. Who am I? Brain, stomach, heart, intestine. Heart. Second, I am inside the head and control the feelings. Liver, veins, blood, brain. Brain. Yes. Third one, I help in breathing. Lungs, stomach, spinal cord, trachea. Lungs. Yes. The fourth one, we are two in number and beam shaped. We help remove the waste. Who am I? Vein, gallbladder, arteries, kidneys. Kidneys, you're right. I help in digestion. I am one in number and help in digestion. Who am I? Stomach, veins, pancreas, brain. Stomach, absolutely right. Dear students, now that we have come to the end of this lesson, I hope you have understood something very important about our internal parts. Take care of your body. Be healthy. Thank you.